Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you why your first alert smoke alarm beep 3 times and then stops, and how you can fix it very easily in 2026. Now, on many first alert smoke alarms, 3 beeps can indicate the smoke detector or sensor problems or the temporary contamination or sometimes communication warnings on the interconnected systems. So if the beeping stops after a few moments, the alarm may have detected something briefly and then cleared itself. So the second reason is the dust inside the sensor chamber, which is one of the biggest causes of the random short beep patterns. So you need to remove the alarm carefully and then simply clean around the vents using compressed air or a dry cloth. Now you can also inspect the battery and the power connection. If the battery voltage becomes unstable, some of the first alert models may beep briefly instead of giving the normal low battery chirp pattern. So in this case, you just have to simply replace the battery with a fresh high quality one and make sure that the battery door also closes completely. For hardwired alarms, also check the wiring connection. So you can try these easy fixes. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.